Hi there. Let me show you how you can use Torii to translate your favorite visual novels. Torii has two modes of operation, OCR mode and hook mode. OCR mode takes screenshots of your game, while hook mode extracts the dialogue itself from the game's memory. You should always try using hook mode first because it's faster, cheaper, and always accurate. You simply select the process containing your game to attach to. Then, in order to display all available hooks, you need to advance the dialogue in your game. Once the available hooks are visible, just select the ones you think are the game's dialogue. Opening the settings, you can select the model and the language, you can add a custom prompt to guide the translation, or you can enable context sharing, which improves consistency and translation quality. Going back, you can now hit Translate. This will show your hooks being translated inside this semi-transparent text overlay window. You can hover over them to see the original sentence, or you can rearrange their positions. You can customize the appearance of the text to your liking. Advancing the game's dialogue automatically updates the hooks and translates them, allowing for a seamless reading experience. You can always go back to the hook selection screen to add or remove hooks that you don't want to translate. Let's go back to the home screen. If for some reason hook mode doesn't support the game engine you're trying to attach to, you can always use OCR mode to read the pixels directly from your screen. To use OCR mode, simply position and resize the window to cover what you want translated. Once again, you might want to check your translation settings first before hitting Translate. You can either use local or cloud OCR, with local being cheaper but possibly less accurate. Once you're ready, hit Translate and you should see the translated text appear on top of your game. The default overlay setting is the image overlay, which seamlessly displays the translated text rendered inside an in-painted version of your screenshot, but isn't available for local OCR. You can change this setting to instead use the text overlay, which we already saw from hook mode. You can enable auto-translate, which will automatically detect if any changes took place behind the capture window, and then perform translation without needing a click from you. And that's it! You can see Torii is very simple to use, with everything nicely contained inside a single app window that doesn't have an overwhelming amount of buttons. You're now ready to start translating your favorite visual novels.